This is a monthly reading for you, Aquarius, for the month of September. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the month looking and then do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras for you. Also, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, do read my newsletter, monthly newsletter, which is uploaded on Gumroad. You want to go to the description box, click on the link, and it will take you to the Gumroad page where the newsletter is uploaded. You just need to enter the price point. If you want to donate something, you can enter a certain amount. Otherwise, just enter a 0, and then you can download the newsletter for free. I have priced it at 0 because it's for free, but if you would want to donate something, entirely up to you. Also, this newsletter, you can post it on any platform you like, share it with as many people. It's made with a lot of love and effort. I share not just my tarot insights and how I am the tarot card reader that I am, or how I am good with how it is with rune stones and whatever other clairvoyant services that I do. I also talk about spirituality as a topic in my newsletter. So do download it. It's made every month for all my subscribers, for people who follow me, and it makes for a good read. So Aquarius, let us see what's happening. First of all, in the area of improvement, you want to go very prepared for whatever you're taking up as an ambition or a goal, because I'm seeing here is that mostly whatever you're going for is very, very ambitious, and if you are not sure, you will not be able to complete it. So before you start to roll out something big, it's telling you to revisit it, criticize it, and be better prepared for it. Also, if nobody is volunteering or taking up certain project which looks challenging, you also want to avoid it, because you see, this is the energy of someone who's trying to grow a forest in a desert and has only one stick with him. So when this is the guidance, it's one, growing a forest takes its own time, and just surviving in a desert, you see, this is a desert. Just surviving in a desert on its own is not easy. So you are up for a very big challenging work. So unless you're prepared for it, I would suggest don't take it up, and ask around, get it criticized before you make the move. Now, what is the strength you can work with? Your strength is you're very happy in your space and in your skin. I'm also seeing is you have a lot of good friendships or people you can depend on. You see, this person sits smug with 9 trophies to show. So these are nothing but created human bonding. It could be your parents, it could be your friends, your past employers, school friends. You have created a great bonding, and these are the people you can rely on, and you're happy, you're very, very happy, Aquarius, in your situation. So going on a solo trip brings you a great happiness. Just being by yourself brings you great happiness. So be how you are, enjoy this bliss, just being by yourself. Now, how will be your social interactions or dealings with people? Socially, I see you spending a lot of money, and it's on clothes, it's on shoes, it's traveling, it's to look good. You're not really making any savings. I'm seeing here is socially, when you go out, you're spending, eating out as much, and you're not really thinking if it is too expensive or if the outing will cost you so much or is it out of budget. You're just spending as you are on the go. So this is how the month is, and there's a lot of expenses that you're going to do socially. What is it that is coming unexpectedly? A very, very big wow. There's a promotion coming along unexpectedly. This card is so powerful, I can't even start to explain it. It's a very big promotion card. You're getting promoted, my dear Aquarius, and a certain title comes to you, and it is coming from the universe. You are being very, very heavily supported, a lot of love coming your way, and it is because of your communication, your very sharp thinking, and your analytics. So there's a promotion coming along. Some of you who've been wanting to get pregnant, it's going to happen. And if you've been working on something day in day out, it announces victory ahead of time or unexpectedly. So unexpectedly there is a reason to rejoice because you're going to get promoted. Very, very beautiful guidance. Now, how's overall the month of September? I see you traveling a lot, Aquarius. You're on the go, traveling, talking. You're really traveling a lot in the month of September, and I see a lot of speed. Some of you can choose to speak fast, you can choose to go to somewhere even faster. So speed is going to be calling in the month of September for you. Overall cards are very beautiful. It's just that it's telling you to, this card is telling you, don't go too ambitious or don't think you can achieve something when everybody is saying be careful, I don't want to take it, I don't want to take it. Listen to the noise around in the news or in the room. If everybody is pulling away from some project or some particular work that needs to be done, you want to think through and not just step up and say I'm going to do it, because this is a very challenging energy. Just saying you need support, you need mentorship before you start to take something up the big way or start to take up a journey, because you will need to go very prepared. So I'm just going to charge is your solar plexus because it's about determination. I want you to have a great determination, but not when it is misplaced or when it is overachieving or you're trying to impress someone, maybe even yourself. You don't want to overdo something. So I'm just going to charge is your solar plexus with Reiki distance healing.